I'm from Pakistan.
Oh, it's nice country. There are so many beautiful
Yes,
girls over there.
yes. You from?
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
No, I don't know.
You don't know Bangladesh? Oh, it's next to India. You know India?
Okay, okay. Yeah, I know India.
Bangladesh and Pakistan are both were part of India.
Yes, I know.
Bangladesh got independence from Pakistan in 1971.
Yes,
You should know this
yes.
history. You should know this history, but you don't know about Bangladesh.
No, I don't. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
it's okay. So, are you a student or what do you do? Do you work or study?
No, I'm not student.
Then what are you doing? What do you do for living?
Nothing, nothing, nothing. I just living in my home.
Okay, then where are you from? Where do you live in Pakistan?
Karachi.
Karachi. Yeah, okay. So you can speak Urdu very well, right? Because of Urdu is the
Yes, yes.
first language in your country,
You
right?
you can you speak you you speak Urdu?
No, I can speak Bengali language, and I can speak Bengali
Okay. No.
fluently very well, and it's our mother tongue, and
Okay.
I'm proud of my mother tongue. I mean, I can speak Bengali very well. So, do you want to learn
Okay.
Bengali language?
No, no, no. Because I'm Pakistani and don't understand Bengali language and other country language.
If I teach you, if I say if you want to say how are you, then you can say কেমন আছেন?
Come on.
আছেন, কেমন আছেন?
Actually,
Yeah, it means how are you?
very tough. Very tough language.
It's very tough for you, but it's very easy for me, and it's very easy, I think. Okay, by the way,
Yeah.
how can I say how are you in your language? I mean, in Urdu.
My language. क्या हाल है?
क्या हाल है? Okay.
Yes.
I know Hindi little bit. Like they say in India, "आप कैसे हो?" Like that. "आप कैसे हो?"
Yeah, same language. Same language. Yeah, same
क्या हाल
language
है?
for Pakistani. आप कैसे हो? क्या हाल? Yeah.
Okay.
It's broad just.
Then how can I say I'm fine or I'm okay?
मैं ठीक हूँ.
मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं अच्छा हूँ. It's like similar in India. I mean Indian language like Hindi.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Same language.
Do you think Hindi and Urdu both are similar?
Yes, little bit.
Little bit, yeah. Both. I think Hindi and Urdu is different languages, but
No, no. But some Indian words for like just Pakistani words, and some my words same like India words.
yeah,
Same
exactly.
like.
I'm just trying to say it. Okay. So it's nice to meet you, and I'm from
Thank you.
Bangladesh.